Finally, we ended up in the most awaited festival in the year, the Thrissur Pooram. So today is 25th, and the gate behind me, there will be one elephant going out fully dressed up. So I look very forward to it. We came like 2 hours earlier, so there's not much crowd. Like people, everyone is only coming here. And they already nicely decorated it. I think it is finished fully. So now we will wait for it. Thrissur Pooram actually is not the main festival. There was one before known as Thrissur Pooram, and that one is like much older. It's like more than 1,000 years, I think, and this one is only 200. So actually the story is fully connected, because when the heavy rain happened in Thrissur Pooram, some of the temples were very late and they got denied entry. That's why the current king, he decided that it's like not fair, and he decided to make his own Pooram. So all the temples could celebrate and none of them would be excluded. So they would be like fully equal. That's why both of the temples are celebrating it. The entry of the elephant is finished and it was on the other side. Now we went for another, and it was like so nice, but it was like too crowded and too hot, and at some point I thought like I will faint maybe. But I really like how all is decorated and that the elephant is so big, and it was very beautiful to see how the door opened. But I hate how hot it is nowadays, and all the festivals are happening right now. I don't know, it feels like there's 40 degrees, maybe more, and I'm fully wet. I was never this wet before in my life. So it's like because the clouds are here, I guess, so nothing is like going away. And later on, we'll like check if more elephants are dressing up. We also went to the TPC office, I think. It's some tourist office in Thrissur. And I got like a pass. It's a complimentary pass only for foreigners. I think I'll be able to enter some pavilion on the main day. And like there would be some... I think I have like just prefer... I can just enter a lot of places that normally I couldn't. But it is like very nice, because this way I can just get some more space and I don't need to worry that much about crowd, and I can just stay alive through it. But it's like very nice, also colors. So today is the main day of Pooram, 26, the proper Thrissur Pooram, and right now we are going to temple. The main gate is closed, so we found some other way. It's like fully built. So let's check what is inside. We saw one elephant going there, so they are like slowly starting to walk around, and there is like music happening in the background. We decided to sit a little bit inside because it's like very peaceful here. It's like a little bit colder, I feel, than outside because of all the like trees, and there is a lot of shadow. So it's actually also my first time here, so I'm like very excited to see it all, because I wanted to come for like a little bit time. But all the goats are outside now on the elephants, so later on we'll go and check it again. But it was like so funny, because at some point when we are just roaming around, one like weird guy came to us and he asked if we are media, so we told him no, but he kept insisting that he wants to sing a song and to record it, so now you can hear it.
രാജീവം വിടരും നിൻമിഴികൾ കാശ്മീരം മുതിരും നിൻചൊടികൾ രാജീവം വിടരും നിൻമിഴികൾ കാശ്മീരം മുതിരും നിൻചൊടികൾ എന്നിൽ പൂക്കുമ്പോൾ.
As you could have seen yesterday here, the elephant was like going out, and today they changed all the decors. I think they shifted part of them on the side, but they added the umbrella, and now the front looks a little bit nicer actually, because the flowers are also much longer. So I think all the elephants, they will be going out again maybe through this, or I have no idea how they will pass. Maybe they will just roam like through in a circle through the temple. We can hear something is coming now, but I don't know if it will be elephant or it will be the band. Inside the temple, we saw like 15 elephants just like roaming, and they were like fully decorated, and it looked so beautiful. Like first, they were just like doing this kind of dance in one place, and then they started to go in the whole circle through the temple. I learned that they would go out through this area, and then on the opposite side there will be another like 15, so there will totally be 30 elephants, and there was like also a lot of people playing that music, but I couldn't catch it because there's like very big crowd there and everyone is in the elephant part. We also are like here from morning and we got like a little bit hungry, so we went to some like Indian coffee house or some other like restaurant, I don't know exactly, and we ordered biryani. It was actually nice. Right now we are in this like statue they built, and ooh, there are elephants coming. There's so many of them. Like totally those 30 now, they're slowly going home, I guess. So, ooh, I can see 4 of them already. I'm so excited. They're the smaller ones, they're not the main god one, but it's so cool. I wish I could pet them all and take them home actually. Oh, he's sleepy, he's yawning. Some of the elephants, they were like all the time eating, and I'm very scared that they will like touch me or something. Oh. But after today, I have very big trauma with elephants because I didn't wanted to see them like doing private things in public, so I'm not loving elephants anymore this much. Oh, another elephant. Another 4 of them, so totally 8 is coming this year. Oh, he was crying. Wait, I think that elephant was blind, he was crying. That is sad actually. Oh, he's eating, nice. But they're moving very fast now. Why they're moving very fast? They're like running now. Most probably they are like planning to get them undressed and make them go for their stay. So that's why. But it's like before they are like moving one step after like 5 minutes, and now they're like running. This one is like, what is wrong with this one? Is he like dancing or something, or like he's a little crazy? I think he's a little crazy because that people are walking with a stick onto him. This is a bigger one, no? The 2 bigger ones. So the Thrissur Pooram finished and it was like so awesome, but it was very short, I feel. It finished like 6:30 maybe and started like, I'm not sure, that I was very surprised to see that first 15 elephants went out from the temple. They stayed there a little bit, they were shifting the umbrella, then they started to walk, and every few seconds they were stopping and exchanging the umbrella. Each umbrella, I think, was like, each umbrella exchange was like 15 minutes like total. That's what I heard. And then like they stopped, and then they started to turn around, and on the same moment another 15 elephants is coming out from the temple. They also had very nice exchange, but they were doing it in the same moment. I really like how they were facing each other, but sadly I was like, actually, the good thing, I was in the foreign zone, but the sad part is I couldn't get a nice view from most of it because there was a tree in front of us. But somehow I also ended up getting snacks and some like water. That was very cute of them and very kind. But the crowd, it is like too big for this festival. I actually prefer the Aratapura. It is like bigger. But this year the fireworks are not happening at all. We'll see, maybe next year, if all goes well, we'll come again.